Hello guys, so I spent 2 days in the bed, get really horrible cold, fever, feel like a shit. But so today is a Thursday, so I feel better and decide to get up and fly Avata first time in manual mode. So I start the DJI FPV simulator, that doesn't work. So then I start Liftoff, spent a little bit time, like 2 hours I think, and now we're going to fly here in real life. So we'll see if that really 2 hours is enough to really reach the manual opportunity of Avata. Nolka! Here is my spotter like always. Hop, hop, hello! So we will see how this will work. Wish me good luck. So what I think about that, I would say like this. Compare flying like this drone Dji Avata in normal or sport mode to manual mode. It's just insane. It's like you can't compare it. It's absolutely different dimensions, different feeling, everything, even the way of the flying, of course. You know, maybe for you, the guys, professional guys which are flying FPV drones long time, this is like what he's talking about. But for me, I just tried this first time sorry, my life, and I will say I have to turn off the drone, and this is really insane. Of course it's not easy, it's difficult. I've been flying normal drones, like all of the Mavics, for like 4 years or something. Then 4 or 5 months ago I just moved to Avata because I hardly crashed my last Mavic R2S, and my friend Rocco really recommended me. He just pushed me to move to FPV drones, and here I am, so thank you. Here I really recommend also his channel. He is flying FPV drones, flying real life FPV in manual mode, only after not even 2 hours of flying in the simulator. So that's maybe because I am sick. I spent 2 days in the bed, a cold, fever. But when you see this sun, this weather from the window, you can be just in the bed for a day, right, Nolka? And my Nolka, my spotter, she's so happy too. She helped me a lot. So I think me and Nolka, we're going to fly much more in manual. We will not give up. This is so scary, but I am not shaking. So we'll see what kind of the footage I get today, and then you will judge me, guys. What I did wrong, what should I change. Manual mode.